The Metal Powder Industries Federation presents its Vanguard Award to an individual who has positioned themselves as a champion of the powder metallurgy technology, contributing to the expansion of powder metallurgy applications. The recipient must be an advocate promoting the use of powder metallurgy while working for an end-user manufacturer or first-tier supplier. Their contribution may include research and development work, process improvements, new assembly or part designs that promote the acceptance of powder metallurgy parts. As a champion of powder metallurgy for over 35 years, Richard "Rick" Rickey is an innovator, promoter, and helped advance the use of powder-forged connecting rods, PM bearing caps, oil squirter bodies, and numerous transmission gears and other components at General Motors. Born in Hancock, Michigan, Rick developed a lifelong passion for hunting, fishing, and all outdoor sports. Throughout elementary and high school, he recognized his favorite subjects were math and science, providing a strong base for an engineering future. As a student at Michigan Technological University, he was first introduced to powder metallurgy in 1980. He had started his college career in chemical engineering, but soon shifted to metallurgical engineering after 2 quarters. His decision to switch came after speaking with friends who were studying metallurgical engineering. After thoroughly reviewing the curriculum and researching the field, he was intrigued that iron powder was added to cereals. He signed up for a powder metallurgy course instructed by Professor Darrell Smith, FAPMI. During the course, Rick studied the PM process and the vast uses of powder metallurgy. After receiving his Bachelor of Science degree in metallurgical engineering with materials science option, he received a job offer from General Motors. In the 1980s, Rick worked closely to help develop the PM connecting rod process with GM's advanced engineering staff, John Senko and Peter Vernier, both who are recipients of the MPIF Automotive Achievement Award 1991 and 1993 respectively. Rick's first connecting rod came to fruition in a 1993 4.6-liter North Star engine. In addition to Senko and Vernia, Rick credits former GM colleagues Charles Lusher and Bill Jandeska, FAPMI, as his mentors. Jandeska received the MPIF Automotive Achievement Award in 1995 and Kempton H. Roll PM Lifetime Achievement Award in 2016. Since that first connecting rod launch, Rick has had continuous development of PM connecting rod materials property data and OEM component benchmarking. He has conducted staircase fatigue testing, researched machining additives, performed shot peening studies, and determined the best conditions for cap fracturing PM connecting rods. He has taught a portion of the General Motors base engine design class to literally thousands of students over the last 28 years, with a portion of the presentation dedicated to the numerous advantages of powder-forged connecting rods. Rick has also applied the MPIF standards as a baseline to further develop the internal GM Material Standards database. Today, Rick is the go-to man for powder metallurgy and is quite involved in metal additive manufacturing. Rick married Mary Ann Nyes in 1987, and they have 3 sons together. Their family has continued to grow over the years, and they currently have 3 grandchildren. In his free time, Rick enjoys watching his grandchildren, vacationing, hunting, listening to classic rock, reading, and watching movies. Rick has had a long-standing career supporting the powder metallurgy industry. He has been part of many projects that have helped advance the technology while shaping his career. His experience and participation on the MPIF Annual Conference Technical Program Committee has been nothing short of outstanding. He has shared his experiences in a pre-competitive forum to help promote the latest advancements in powder metallurgy. Rick is a proven industry champion who has had endless contributions to the expansion of powder metallurgy applications. MPIF is proud to recognize Richard Rickey as the 3rd recipient of the Vanguard Award.